All right, welcome again to the Current Rough Market channel. You men recognize what time it is. We're going to be having a dialogue around XRP. Welcome to all of the new XRP network individuals that are becoming a member of the Crypto ZX Army. I appreciate every and each consider one of you men. Continue assisting and you may see a continuation of those updates. So as we're setting out a modern day week, we certainly did start out on a little bit of a poor note. You recognize the fee of Bitcoin as visible, a little bit of a minor pullback, which a path is going to affect the wider market. As you can see, pretty tons of the general marketplace is down right now. A few handful cash up. Bonk is considered one of them. Sui is certainly one of them, but quite a lot. The overall marketplace is seeing a bit of a retracement. As some distance as XRP is concerned, down about 3.2% on the each day time frame. But XRP has been gaining a variety of traction, as we realize. But let's take a better appearance to spot what is taking place and of direction what's but to come. But earlier than I do that, as always, only a quick disclaimer for all people. Anything on this channel isn't financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and studies while you are making an investment in crypto. So searching at the price of XRP 62.16 cents. So in spite of the fact that we're seeing a little bit of a retracement inside its charge now and the wider marketplace, you are nonetheless seeing XRP keeping above 60 cents, which is of root absolutely great to look. In Bitcoin comparative, we are up about 0.1%. Market cap is at approximately 35.2 billion. And the 24-hour trading extent remains pretty excessive, $2.56 billion. Absolutely incredible to look. But allows shift our attention to see what is truly occurring. And then we're going to talk approximately the rate. And like I stated, if you want those updates, do spoil that like button. So some distance, because the RL USD minting is going, we are seeing large amounts of minting over the course of the closing 3 days especially. So what that is showing me is a direction we are drawing near the month of October. We have the swell event. We additionally have a few major events taking region within the month of October. And I, without a doubt, think Ripple is making ready for the release of RL USD. Hence, we're seeing a lot mint happening over the course of the last few days. So, yeah, brand new, the closing day of the month and the remaining day of Zone 3. We're approaching Sector 4 and ultimately, obviously, remaining out the 12 months of 2024, which is really crazy to consider. Time is going with the aid of tremendous rapid, definitely frightening. But it really is just life. Let me recognize within the comments in case you also consider that. But you can see the continuation of these minting for RL USD at the Ethereum blockchain is a continuous occurrence. That's clearly first class to see of root. And I think this is additionally a catalyst at the back of the effective charge action these days. With that said, oopsies, we'll put off that. There we are. So shout out to Smoke for posting this. Interesting in the Kingdom of Law on strong coins within the international chart. Qatar changed into at the start listed as having a prohibit ban on digital assets. And now they're introducing a regulatory framework for digital assets. The tides are turning, worldwide regulatory clarity is coming. And we have been speaking about this. You realize ordinary regulation is surely vital as well. Kind of you understand why, I'll inform you why law is vital, because it protects the investor's interest. And while there is no law, then manifestly trade, as you recognize, the chance is extremely excessive. And then this is why regulation is extremely crucial. You may want to see Qatar introduce this, the US. So this is the list of the countries. You may want to see, you understand, Qatar initially changed into a restrict ban in Saudi Arabia. And glaringly, the tides are turning as smoke has set. So very thrilling matters of path. And speaking of approximately thrilling things, shout out to Chad for posting this. The island's Ministry of Finance has certified its second largest financial institution, Kassi Korin Bank. I'm sorry if I did no longer say the name proper. So that's known as short as K-Bank, to provide digital asset custody, the use of the Orbix custodian emblem. After which that itself lists XRP. So you can see it says purchase XRP with Cast Your Bank. Buying XRP with Cast Your Bank on MEX is a secure and convenient way to enter the arena of cryptocurrency. And the step by using step guide will stroll you via the technique of buying XRP, the use of the financial institution account, which is loopy to consider due to the fact, in case you're looking based on North America, glaringly that is mainly talking about North America. I'm now not surely certain how matters are, as a long way as banks pass outdoor of North America, but the human beings that live in North America, I'm sure, can relate to the truth that banks here are so unwilling to engage with whatever to do with crypto. There's so many banks that don't engage or provide their customers to even purchase crypto, even if these customers are the use of 0.33 birthday party, like Fiat Gateway, which includes Coinbase, including Kraken. There's so many unique Fiat gateways, however, despite that fact, some banks simply absolutely ban you recognize customers to try this, and that is a total exclusive landscape shift. And I do consider that, we are going to see in the near destiny a complete shift going on for the banks here as properly, that they are going to start accepting and allowing maximum of their shoppers to surely get publicity inside the crypto belongings. So in phrases, if you recognize, the strides are converting. So you could see, I'm sorry, the tides are turning. We are genuinely considering happening right in front of us. So speaking approximately, the worldwide markets, you can see China inventory market has gone parabolic this week, up 20% in 5 days, 8% these days on my own. Government injection, $140 billion, guys. This is insane. Multiple price cuts the last 5 days has been virtually insane. Let me understand if you are a part of the China inventory marketplace inside the remarks down beneath, and what are your personal projections concerning this unique thing? And talking approximately charge cuts, Fed's boasting open to a 0.5 hobby price reduced in November. As we realize there may be the FOMC meeting developing in November, and there is capability talks approximately another fee cut. And November is the month of election, and if it goes the manner human beings want it to head for. You understand the person who is rooting for crypto. If that occurs, and on top of that, this rate cut occurs, I suppose this would be bullish for the marketplace. Number one, obviously, we are in sector 4 of the R. You already know, traditionally speaking, historically speaking, it does have a tendency to be a completely bullish month for, very bullish sector for crypto. And I suppose our price reduced assertion will just get even extra excited. I suppose potentially an altcoin season. Ought to even start, and I can argue that we're already seeing altcoin season. And one purpose why I say this is because have a look at the last 1 month. You're seeing double-digit profits across the board for altcoins, depending on which one you picked a path. So we are in altcoin season. However, seeing those explosive moves that human beings have seen in the preceding cycle, we do tend to peer. Dominance falling down pretty sharply, and that has now not been the case. And I think when we do hit a new all-time high for Bitcoin, I suppose it really is in which we subsequently will see a number of those coins having that altcoin season. So of root, time is a big factor. However, we're going to see what happens. Moving ahead, searching at the price, as far as dominance is worried, dominance did pull down, considering at 57.35%, hasn't budged. Bitcoin then again has also seen a touch bit greater of a pullback, making its mana right down to $63,000. If you watch my replace literally just the day past, we had a dialogue revolving this, that there may be a risk for the fee of Bitcoin to decrease. The reason why I stated this is due to direction. There may be so much bullish momentum right now. A lot of human beings are bullish, the sentiment is bullish. When that does generally tend to manifest, whales can come out and shake out the vulnerable arms, if that is precisely what we are looking at proper now. As far because the charge of XRP is concerned, let's zoom in a bit. You can see XRP has visible a touch bit of retracement, and once more, it is not an exception to the wider marketplace. If you want to place this into attitude, XRP has long passed down approximately 6. 46%, definitely normal in my opinion. But the manner it is currently conserving is in reality remarkable. The truth that it's nonetheless above 60 cents, I'm definitely liking that. Manifestly, it's no longer in the 78.6. But one step at a time, we do realize the month of September the month of October is without a doubt vital. We're actually every week out until we hear a little bit extra records regarding the SEC and Ripple case. Are we going to see an enchantment or not? This subsequent week is a very critical. We'd love to understand your private thoughts down below concerning that. Love each and every considered one of you guys. See you the following day from Currying Rough Market, and peace out.